Spicy.
Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. This is our kitchen, and today we're going to we're outside kitchen.
Hi.
It has been a while since you're in our kitchen. Today we're gonna look about sorrel marinade rub. Yes, sorrel marinade rub. We're gonna have our spin to it. So we have pimento berries here. This is from the garden. Our peppers, scallion, French thyme from the garden with ginger. All these from the garden. These are from the store. We have clove. We have salt, vinegar, and
It
we
almost looks
have
like water, right?
right. And we have sorrel from the garden, and we have two tin pineapple slices. Alright, so we're going to make a sorrel marinade rub, and then in the next video we'll show you how we use that. But for now, in this video, we're making the rub.
Yay!
Alright, now let's put in the vinegar.
How much? Tell me when to stop. All of it?
Alright, stop. Alright, you almost finished it. Pour it in there.
All of it?
Yeah. Okay.
Step 2.
Let me bring it closer to you. Let me bring it closer to you.
Wow, this juice is purple. I like
Yes.
it. Tip the jar. This video will show you how it's going to turn like.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Alright.
That's done.
Okay. We're gonna put all those stuff in there. Garlic, onion, scallion, French thyme, ginger. Pour it all in. Wait. Take your time, Jordan. That's okay. That's okay. Leave that one. Leave that piece on the ground. That's fine, Joe. Alright, what else do we have? Look at those. So we have some pimento berries, 2 peppers. Alright.
What did you say?
Wait, we'll just add the salt afterwards. But we'll put in some cloves.
All of it?
No!
We don't-
2
we don't-
pieces or
we
3
don't want-
pieces.
5 pieces.
4. That's good. Alright, good job. No, we're gonna put the salt. Let's put a little bit in there. Use a spoon. Alright, you just leave that for now. Alright, so before we do anything else, we need to
Cover it.
alright, so we're gonna cover it.
Time to rub. What happens if I don't like it?
That's fine. Jason. Use put it in the mouth. Jason. Just a little bit. Yeah.
Spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
I like it, but it's spicy.
This is it. It's almost like jerk seasoning with salt added to it. So this is perfect. Spicy. It's too spicy for JoJo. Alright.
This is not vinegar, this is water.
That's not vinegar, it's water, yes. Alright, so finish. Let me drink something.
Especially to you.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. So we're gonna pour it in our jar. See, this jar is too
I'm
big,
not going to taste it again.
but that's the size that we have. Alright, so let's get this off. Pour it in.
What's honey? Okay.
I think we can.
Guys, let me tell you something. You know, Mommy carried this knife and she don't know what she's going to use it for.
Alright, so we
This-
have our a little bit runny, but that's okay. We'll put it in the fridge. And
And then we can eat it like ice.
no. We're going to season fish with it, tofu, anything. So this is our jerk sorrel marinade rub. And most of the ingredients are from our garden. Homemade by
JoJo and Mommy.
JoJo and Mommy. Hi. So that's a wrap, guys. This is our jerk sorrel marinade sauce.
And why you carry all that knife?
We are going to show you how we're going to use it in the next video. So take care. Bye bye. See you soon.
Bye.
Brought a knife to cut up the scallion, but I didn't get to use it. We just dumped everything in it, right? So next time we'll use a knife. I will use a knife, not you.
I will use the knife. I
Alright.
will use the knife.
Help Mommy clean up now, alright? Okay. Alright, so
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
use a piece of lemon squeezy. Okay. Guys, this jerk sauce, sorrel jerk sauce or marinade, not sauce. This jerk marinade is so good and the smell is just so divine. It tastes just like the authentic marinade in the bottle. The only difference, it is sorrel. Yes, this is it. This is good. As I said before, we're going to show you how we're going to use it. So stay tuned for that.